Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about what the FUD is going on with Ripple, and we would like to start by pointing out that the National Bank of Kuwait has gone live using Ripple services, and as stated by NBK's head of operations, Mohammed Al-Kharafi, you can send a wire transfer from Kuwait to NBK Jordan and it will reach there within seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without delay. This just comes to show Ripple's ability to come true to their promise. He also states that they hope to expand to greater areas and open more corridors, at the same time as leveraging their existing 14 countries over 4 continents. So this just comes to show that a lot of the FUD that's going around Ripple at the moment is basically, in a sense, we can kind of say it's almost speculative FUD in a sense, because as you can see, the facts are that Ripple is still establishing customers and partnerships. So definitely this comes to show that they believe in Ripple and they believe in their technology and what they're trying to accomplish. And just in case if you guys don't know what the National Bank of Kuwait is, or more specific things about it, I would just like to point out some awards as they got as the bonus content of this video. And basically, uh, the Bank of Kuwait was awarded Best Private Banking Service for the 9th year in a row, as well as being awarded Best Private Bank of Kuwait for the 2nd year in a row back in 2016. So as you can see, this is definitely an accredited bank, and the fact that they're choosing Ripple and partnering with them and working with them, it just comes to show the potential that Ripple has, and the fact that they're definitely leading the area which they're trying to target specifically. So in my opinion, at the end of the day, all of this FUD is basically meaningless. As long as there's no concrete proof, a negative proof, then there's really nothing to say about it in a negative sense. But just that pretty much covers it for today. Let me know what you guys think. So is the FUD around XRP a myth? Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.